Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to write fractions in Word. To start, open Word. Here you are going to go to the Insert menu, and there you are going to click on the Equation option. When you do this, you will click on Fraction, and there you can choose one of the available fraction models. When added, select each box to add the respective values of the fraction that you will use in Word. Finally, you can select this fraction and edit its properties. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.